always like to say, a lot of people say, wow, it's so easy. Your video is so easy. What a fake video. So this time I'm not gonna edit even 1 second. I'm gonna let you guys say every second. So, because we have 8 screens here. So you're gonna say all the situations, not all the situations, at least the most of the situations you're gonna meet when you separate the LCD, the screens, the broken screens from the LCD. This is the second one. See, second one. Easy. Let's say the third one. Yeah, because sometimes we have all kinds of screens here. So sometimes you have to change, the different way to separate the LCD. It's not always the same way. Sometimes you use plastic, sometimes you use metal, sometimes you blow hot air inside, sometimes you put it back again. So it's not always the same way, because what we want is separate the glass. So you might need to know different ways, and different ways, or at least 3, 4, 5 ways to separate the glass. That's the freezer, which is a must. You have to have this freezer first, then you're gonna have another 3, 4, 5 ways, different ways to separate the glass. As you can see here, we have metal, we have plastic, we blow hot air inside. This one is kind of the hard one. So it's hard to blow air inside. First the metal one, then the plastic one, then the hot air. Liu. Famous Liu. I'm not showing anymore in the video, but my technician Liu is always in the video. Sometimes metal, sometimes plastic. That's it. Once again, let's say the temperature is -170.